Hi. DNG Academy offers free online PMP exam preparation series. In this session, 10 multiple-choice questions will be discussed. Choose the correct option. Correct answers are given at the end of each question, which will be appeared after 10 seconds in each question. Question number 1. You are a project manager working on a construction project. During the initiation phase, which of the following activities should you prioritize? A. Defining project objectives and goals. B. Developing a detailed project schedule. C. Allocating project resources. D. Monitoring and controlling project progress. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. Defining project objectives and goals. Question number 2. You are leading a software development project. The project charter has been approved and you are now in the planning phase. Which document should you create next to outline the project's scope, deliverables, and stakeholders' expectations? A. Project management plan. B. Work breakdown structure. C. Risk register. D. Project scope statement. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is D. Project scope statement. Question number 3. You have just completed the develop project charter process. What is the primary output of this process? A. Project management plan. B. Stakeholder register. C. Project scope statement. D. Requirements traceability matrix. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. Stakeholder register. Question number 4. Your project is in the execution phase, and you are responsible for overseeing the creation and approval of project deliverables. In which process group are you currently operating? A. Initiating. B. Planning. C. Executing. D. Monitoring and controlling. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. Executing. Question number 5. As a project manager, you need to identify and manage stakeholders' interests, influence, and potential impact on project success. Which process is specifically designed for this purpose? A. Identify stakeholders. B. Plan stakeholder engagement. C. Control stakeholder engagement. D. Manage stakeholder expectations. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. Identify stakeholders. Question number 6. A change control system is an essential component of project management. What is the primary purpose of this system? A. To track project progress and performance. B. To manage project risks and uncertainties. C. To document and control changes to project baselines. D. To allocate project resources effectively. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. To document and control changes to project baselines. Question number 7. Your project is subject to certain limitations that impact its execution. Which of the following represents a project constraint? A. Project team members' skills and expertise. B. Availability of project funding. C. Project management software tools. C. Quality standards and regulations. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. Availability of project funding. Question number 8. You need to determine the total duration of your project by estimating the shortest possible time each activity can take to be completed. Which technique should you use? A. Critical path method. B. Program evaluation and review technique. C. Monte Carlo analysis. D. Resource leveling. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. Critical path method. Question number 9. You are in the planning phase of your project and need to identify, analyze, and prioritize risks. Which process group does this activity belong to? A. Initiating. B. Planning. C. Executing. D. Monitoring and controlling. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. Planning. Question number 10. The control quality process helps ensure that project deliverables meet the specified requirements. What is one of the outputs of this process? A. Quality management plan. B. Quality metrics. C. Quality control measurements. D. Quality audit report. You have 10 seconds to respond to each MCQ. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. Quality control measures. MCQs assessment exam link is given below in the comments section. Click on the given link and attempt MCQs. Marks of assessment will be shared with you upon submission. For more free online PMP exams training, subscribe to DNG Academy and hit the bell icon. Stay blessed.